Let's take a look at what TJ Maxx has in right now. So I checked out a designer showcase today to see what they had. They had like a lot of nice designer pieces, but I just really can't see myself paying 2,500 for anything from TJ Maxx. But they did have some cute pieces. But sometimes you can find like some really good deals on some like designer items, different things, especially designer like costume jewelry, accessories, different things like that. But they had like a lot of cute pieces in the glass today. Some on the lower price range, so not all of them were $2,500, but they did have some cute things. The hair clips, I can't get enough of the hair clips and like hair accessories at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of those lately. They have some cute ones for teachers. They have just some fun ones for summer that you can grab. And most of the time they're gonna come like in a multi-pack. Sometimes they'll come single, but most of the time they're gonna come like in a multi-pack. So you're gonna get like a few of them in the pack, and usually they are way under $10 for them. So $3.99, $4.99, $6.99, different prices like that. But they don't cost too much. They have, like I said, they have a lot of nice ones for teachers. Can you see like the color on it, the little pearl details in that? Just super cute. They have this one right here, which I thought was cute. Just really pretty ones for teachers lately at the stores, like whole collections that you can grab. But like I said, some fun ones for summer, all kind of different things like that. And you can really kind of match these up. So they have like accessories too, like jewelry and stuff like that, that you can match these pieces up with. So you don't just have to stop at the hair accessories. They have some ones for summer. I don't know if you can tell, those are bats. So skeleton heads and then bats for those. Where were we at the other day? Was it Marshall's, TJ Maxx? And they had like the scrunchies and stuff like that too. So yeah, keep a lookout if you like to get hair accessories, different things for Halloween, because they are putting those out. This bag, so they didn't have a lot of bags here today, but this bag I thought was different. So you see the shape in it, and usually when you have a bag like that, it's like just open in the middle, but that has like a whole zipper, and then it has like the zipper detail on the front, which I think is super cute. So I thought that was nice. And then this one right here has a really nice unique shape. I love anything with like a different shape to it, so I thought that was cute, and a nice neutral color too. And that one was only $20. Not bad at all. They do have a few of the pieces that we just saw the other day, but like I said, they didn't have a lot of bags in here today. The dog toys, do you get seasonal toys for your like dogs and pets and stuff like that? My kids think that they love toys. So but I thought those ghost ones were super cute. There's a ghost back there, but it was hiding. I don't know, the light must have blocked it, but it was her. I love her bow. So she's out for the Halloween season. It's like a pillow with a big pink bow. They have like the double packs. They had this double pack right here, which I thought was cute. And on the back is his wife. So she has her little veil on it. So I thought those were super cute, just nice and simple, really cute. But they have like a lot of cute double packs and different things, pillows and stuff like that for the Halloween season out. They had these pillows. This one I thought the details on it was super nice, and just like the piece in the middle, just like the cherries, it was just super cute. This one I thought was cute too. I couldn't find a tag on that one though, but probably around the same price that they usually are for those type pillows. These placemats I thought were nice too. $17 for those, and a really nice feel like to the placemat. And then you get four in the pack, really nice ones, and then like that has that shape to it. These guys super cute. I think these were out last year though too, but you can see the little jack-o'-lantern lights up, so it's like they trick-or-treat, and the little ghost dogs, and it's not too much for that one too. They had a lot of different little shapes, different things, so you can, whatever your style is. They don't have a lot out right now at this TJ Maxx, but whatever your style is, they have something for it. They even had the little Hello Kitty Halloween piece there. This not Halloween, I just thought it was interesting. I think it's broke though, because it probably hangs or something like that, but I just thought that piece was interesting. They have, just like I said, a lot of cute little Halloween different things. A lot of them that we seen at other stores, but maybe like in a different color or something like that. This was cute, another cute one. Again, I don't know. Some people are not into the pink Halloween. I like it. I think it's cute. Especially like candy looking like things like that, I think are so stinking cute. Me, I'm into like just white and black. I that's why I love the pillows and stuff. Like TJ Maxx and all that and stuff. A Christmas sign. So that was the only one I found. But they had that. I think they just, around this time of year, they'll just pull everything from the back they didn't sell from last year because, yeah, that was Christmas. This right here, why did I think this was lighter than it is? It's kind of like heavy, but not too heavy. But I thought it was just like hat material, but it wasn't. But you can see like they just have like a few Halloween items scattered out, but still a good collection, if that makes sense. So not a lot, but enough for right now. They are pulling out some stuff. This stuff was on the cart. So like I said, I think they really just pull the things from the back. These colors on these I think are cute. So another different color. So something different that you don't see every Halloween, which I think is cute. And that goes together with white pieces, with black pieces. It can go with the pink pieces. It can go with like a lot of different pieces. Just really nice and cute. Because you see it even goes with the pumpkin and stuff. This was on clearance. So if you're looking, it doesn't come with the lampshade though. Like I wish it came with the lampshade because the price isn't like reduced enough for it not to have a lampshade. This guy I thought was cute too. So just something cute. If I see something cute, I'm gonna pick it up and look at it to see how much it is. They didn't have a lot of kitchen towels and stuff out at this TJ Maxx. This was the only one that I did see. They didn't have a lot of kitchen towels out at all at this TJ Maxx today. So one was good. These right here, okay. So like I said, a lot of accessories like the bag charms, different things, the jewelry, different things. So they have these cute pieces, but then they also have like some cute teacher pieces. So you have to get bag charms? I think those are so cute when people, I'll be on TikTok just watching to see what people putting on their bags and stuff like that. I think they're so cute. And then these right here, so those are like those vintage style keychains. Dollar Tree had some that you can like customize, but I think those are so cute too. These are little golf clubs. So it's like a little pink bag and then the golf clubs in it. I thought that was cute too. Just a lot of cute pieces that I just thought were super cute. And then these are some of the teacher pieces. So a lot of them are Betsy Johnson. Love it. Like their pieces are just like so colorful, so nice, and just like fun. But you see they had those there. Those weren't Betsy Johnson. Those are different, but just the same gist of like the whole teacher thing. And you can get some nice accessories now. I don't remember like last year seeing this many cute accessories, different things and stuff for teachers out at the stores. I really don't. These bracelets look okay. So it's got like the it opens and stuff like that. But look at this one. I thought was the prettiest one. They have one that's just like the yellow, like a regular pencil, but I thought that other one was like the prettiest one. But they have like different options and stuff that you can get. So like right now TJ Maxx has a variety of different things. So if you're looking for teachers, if you're looking for Halloween stuff, if you're looking for whatever, they have a lot of good things in.